So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Abubakar Rashid. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I create a YouTube channel and earn money in just 3 months. It is very possible for you to create a channel and start earning in the next 2 to 3 months. It is very possible. If you are thinking that no, it is not possible, it's always a long-term project. Although YouTube is a long-term project, but you can easily start making money on your YouTube channel after you have created it. Let me say after 2 months or 3 months. How did I do it? Now let me explain. Initially, when I actually want to create a YouTube channel, I don't even have a content. I don't even know what to post, but I'm just in need of money, and I actually believe that if I create a YouTube channel, is another form of making money online. So what I did was that I go to the YouTube, search on different kind of content that I can actually be making videos on. Although I don't have camera, I don't have mic, so I now search on different kind of content. Later I now decided on making content on football matches. So I started uploading football content. Now how did I create the YouTube channel? Now the first thing I actually did was that I have a Gmail account, and a Gmail account is based on two things, either for personal use or for business use. But when I created the Google account, I created it based on personal use. So after that, I now go into the YouTube Red app. I'll go below and click on my profile pics, go to the settings and click on create channel. But before I click on create channel, I actually input the name of my channel and also the channel handle. But it is very possible for you to actually know how to write the name of your YouTube channel, because the YouTube channel name must be unique. It must be different from any other people's channel name. Why? Because when people actually go to the YouTube search and search the name of your YouTube name, I think it should only bring your own YouTube channel and not any other people. That's why you need to write a unique name and unique handle. So I studied how to write this, and then after that I click on create. So after I created it, I now decided to go to the Google and search YouTube Studio desktop app. So as I searched it, so I now log into the YouTube Studio desktop mobile dashboard. So from there, that's how I discover the YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, I click on settings below downward and click on channel, because one thing I did was that after you created your YouTube channel, you need to customize it. You need to customize it so that it will look professional for the audience that will be watching your videos. It will look professional for them, so that you'll be able to earn money. People will be able to stay on your content, stay watching your videos, stay watching more of your content. So after that, I now click on channel. From there, I optimize my channel using the name of my channel name and also the related keywords that I actually want to be making videos on. So after that, and I go to the advanced settings, and let me see, I now go to the feature eligibility and unlock all the standard features, the intermediate features, and the standard features, and the advanced features. So I ensure I unlock this by doing my face verification. I actually do my, I actually verify my phone number, and after that, I'm able to upload videos and also use a thumbnail. So after doing this, I now learn how to optimize my videos, because anytime you upload your videos, you need to optimize it for discoverability and for search, so that people who are searching the content, they will be able to search your videos and also get to watch it, and your videos will get to large amount of audience. It's very possible, and it's very important for you to know how to optimize your video. So after that, now the content I actually want to make, what did I do first? Because you need to make a content that people are currently searching for. If you actually want to make money very quickly, you need to make content on the trending topic. So what I did was that I now go to the vidIQ and go to their research keywords. From there, I now type in the keywords of the channel and the content I actually want to be making, whether it is a content that people are currently searching for. I want to know the volume of people who are searching it. So the football content I actually want to be making is based on English Premier League. I want to be uploading their highlights. So from there, I first of all search for the La Liga highlights. The people who are searching it, they are not too much. I go to the Serie A, I search it. The people who are searching it are not just too much. So I now decided to come to the English Premier League and search Premier League football highlights. As I search it like this, the volume of people who are searching this content are more than 2 million per hour. Just imagine. So I now decided to say, okay, this is the content I actually want to be making videos on, and I think this one is going to get to large amount of people. I'm going to get a lot of views. So from there, I equally learn how to title the videos, because it's very, very important. The title should contain the kind of keywords people are searching that kind of content. So the same thing, I do the keyword research, and the discoverability is very, very high. The search volume is very, very high. So after that, I now decided to say, okay, this is the content I actually want to be making. So I now go and download all the football content, because although I told you I don't have camera, I don't have audio, so I need to make content on other people's video. So I decided to learn how to edit videos and edit those football highlights. Then after that, I now decided to go and upload it onto my YouTube channel. I tattoo it, I input thumbnail, I input descriptions, and also do some relevant settings so that my videos can get discovered, and also my videos will not be restricted by any kind of copyright. So after that, I now publish it. Publish the first video, the second video, the third video, the fifth video. Later on, just let me say after 2 weeks, the video just start picking up. Like 100 people start watching it, getting to 500, getting to 1K. Some of my video even gets to 10K views. Just imagine. So after I now uploaded like 17 videos, because I always upload video every week. That is one video per week. So after it is now up to 18 months. So after it is now up to 3 months. So I now reach 1,000 subscribers. Even though more than 1,000 subscribers, people have subscribed to my channel, but the watch hour, it has not yet reached 4,000 watch hours. So later on, I just decided to make different content and join them together and upload it. This video just pick up. It just pick up. People just continue to watch it, and the video get up to 500K views. Just imagine. So this one video actually brought me a lot of subscribers, and it equally make me reach my 4,000 watch hours just after 3 months. And that is how I'm eligible to apply for the YouTube partnership program. Because if you actually want to be making money on your videos, you need to allow YouTube to be displaying ads on your videos, and then after that, they will now start paying you based on the ads they are displaying to the viewers. Because this is another form of making money for the YouTube and also for their creators. So I now apply for the YouTube partnership program. I enter all my document details as required. So later on, they just sent me a message that yes, I have been accepted to their YouTube partnership program. So from there, I waited for the document for like 3 months, and after they send it from abroad, because I'm residing in Nigeria, so I now decided to enter the code, and everything just opened. I enter my account, and after 1 week, money just start entering into my account. The first day I will receive like $20, the second day $28, the third day $20, just like that, based on the kind of views I'm getting. So they now start paying me based on the ads they have been showing on my videos, and that is the way I start making money on the YouTube app. So and there's another way you can even make money without only YouTube showing ad on your video. After you have created your channel and you have started making money little by little, there will be a lot of subscribers who actually trusted you, who actually believe in you, and always continue to return to watch more of your content. So these are called fans base. So from there, you can ask them to buy your subscription button. After they bought it, then from there they will be paying you as you are uploading videos every month. They will be paying you. So this is another way you can actually get to be paid on YouTube. And another way is after you have established your brand, you have established your status on this YouTube, and you have gained the trust of the audience. So what they actually do is that there will be some company who will be interested in allowing you to do advert for them, and you can do advert for them and post it on your YouTube channel. And from there, you will get money from the YouTube. You equally get money from the company that hire you to promote their videos. So this is a way you can actually create a YouTube channel and earn money on this YouTube. It's very, very simple as this. So one thing you just have to do is learn how YouTube works, because what I did from the start is that I learned how YouTube works, how I can start creating videos, and how the kind of videos I need to start making. Because if you are making the content that people are not searching for, it's quite possible for you to get money on your YouTube channel. Is going to take a longer period of time. So that's why you need to do a keyword research and make content create channel, upload it to your videos, to your YouTube channel, and then customize your channel, do the right thing at the right time, and upload it. And at the end of the day, you start getting money, you start making huge amount of money on your YouTube channel. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, I hope you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, make a comment. Thank you guys.
Yeah.